The current cabinet of Kenya as of June 2025 comprises the following officials: the President being William Ruto, the Deputy President Kithure Kindiki, Prime Cabinet Secretary and CS for Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Musalia Mudavadi, Attorney General Dorcas Oduor, Secretary to the Cabinet Mercy Kiiru Wanjau, Interior and National Administration Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen, National Treasury and Economic Planning John Mbadi, Defense Soipan Tuya, Health Aden Duale, Education Julius Migos, Agriculture and Livestock Mutahi Kagwe, Environment, Climate and Forestry Deborah Mulongo, Energy and Petroleum James Opio Wandai, Tourism and Wildlife Rebecca Miano, Youth Affairs, Creative Economy and Sports Salim Mvurya, Labor and Social Protection Alfred Mutua, Public Services and Human Capital Geoffrey Ruku, Gender, Culture, Arts and Heritage Hannah Wandot Cheptumo, Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs Hassan Ali Joho, Cooperatives Wycliffe Ambetha Oparanya, Investments, Trade and Industry Lee Kinyanjui, Information Communication and Digital Economy William Gitau, Water, Sanitation and Irrigation Eric Muuga, Lands, Public Works, Housing and Urban Development Alice Wahome, East African Community, Asals and Regional Development Beatrice Askul Moi. Finally, Roads and Transport Davis Chirchir.